I ran out of time, but I did want to talk to you about the makeup and late work. I think I mentioned there won't be any makeup work. Okay, you have your due dates. Just make sure you get it done. As mentioned before, if there's any technical difficulties, computer crashes, lockdown browser, you need to have your contingency plan ready to go. Okay, the assignment due date will not be extended for you. If you miss one of the unit exams, I will allow your percent score earned from the comprehensive final to count as that unit exam score. Okay, so what's going to happen is it will be a 0 the entire semester until we take the final exam. And then that final exam has the potential to replace your lowest unit score. So if you have a 0, it's going to replace that one. But if you've taken all your tests and you just bombed one of them, that final exam score is going to come in and replace the one that you bombed. Okay, so you have that as a backup, but it will only replace one low test score. Okay, so keep that in mind. Now, when I'm recording this video, I haven't updated the course plan yet. This was for my fall semester. But I did want to mention these important dates here at the end of the syllabus. It's just got a map of, last day to add a class. We're out for Martin Luther King Day. Well, not us, since we're online. Our assignments will still open that Monday morning. You have all week to do them. There are midterm exams. Midterm grades are due. I don't necessarily give a midterm exam. Okay, it might fall along the same line as a unit test, but it's not going to be a midterm exam. I will have to type in a midterm grade after that March 6th date, so just keep that in mind that you will have a progress report around that time. But over here in the second column, spring break, we will take off. It's an entire week of no assignments. The last day to drop a class is April 8th, and then final exams are going to start on May 3rd. Okay, so, all right, that's got the syllabus wrapped up. And now we can move on to something else.